study. Today I am going to teach you Unit 4 from the diary of Anne Frank for class 10th. This diary is written by Anne Frank. Anne Frank was a girl who wrote this diary. First, I want to say something about the diary writing. Diary writing is an art through which any individual write their own accounts. Diary writing is a personal account of any individual. So, Anne Frank wrote her personal account in this diary. It is really a very emotional story of Anne Frank. Anne Frank wrote this diary during the Second World War. Second World War was a great disaster of human beings, man-made disaster, and in that period, Anne Frank suffered from this human-made disaster. So, this diary is very important to understand the real situation of Second World War. Through this diary, Miss Anne Frank describes about herself, and he also describes her own feeling in this diary. Diary is a real friend. If anyone was totally alone, then a diary acts as a real friend. In this extract, we know the importance of diary also. Anne's real friend diary. Before you read this extract, you try to understand the main feature of this extract. Anneliese married Anne Frank 12 June 1929. She was born in 12 June 1929, February or March 1945. She was died in February or March 1945. Was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in Hickling with her family. Who wrote while in Anne Frank was a Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazis' occupation extended into the Netherlands. The conflict between Nazis and Jews are well-known conflict in the world. In Second World War, Nazis occupied Jews, and in that period, Nazis' occupation extended into the Netherlands as persecutions against the Jewish population increased. The family went hiding in July 1942 in hidden room her father's Otto Frank office building. When Germany occupation of the Netherlands in World War II, Anne and her family had moved to Amsterdam. But when Germany's occupation extended, she was she and her family were not able to hide there. So she, she and her family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden room in her father's Otto Frank's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration group camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of his sister, Margot Frank. Anne was in her father's office. Her family were hiding in that office, but they were trapped by the Germany and they were transported to the concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister, Margot Frank. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended. Her all family members were died. Only her father was able to survive. And when the World War II ended and he returned to Amsterdam, and there he found the diary of Anne. The diary of Anne has been saved in Amsterdam. During the Amsterdam, she wrote this diary. Convinced that it was a unique record, he looked action to have published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. Under the title The Diary of a Young Girl, her father published her writing evidence. And this evidence is a real proof of Germans' occupation at Netherlands. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12 June 1942 until his final entry of 1 August 1942. During the 2 years period, she wrote this diary, and this diary is a real account of these 2 years, and it was eventually translated from original Dutch into many languages and become one of the world's most widely read book. Very soon, this diary became a very famous diary in the world. This diary is translated from its original Dutch into the many languages, and this diary became a most widely read books. There have also been several films, televisions, and theatrical productions, and even an opera. These lines shows the importance of this diary. This diary was translated into different languages, many languages, and there are so many serials, film, theatrical productions, and even an opera. This diary produced on the stage of the world. Based on the diary, described as the word of a mature and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi's occupation. In this diary, Anne Frank wrote about herself, about her feeling. But this diary shows the life of under Nazis, where Nazis occupied the different parts of the Europe, and in that time how Jews lived their life. These all things are a true evidence. Anne Frank has become one of the most renounced and discussed of the Holocaust victims. After publication of this diary reveals the reality of the Nazis' rules. So, through this diary, after her death, she became very famous in the world, and the world population know about the real situation of Nazi occupation. So this diary is a real account of World War II, during the World War II. This is the introduction of this chapter, and I believe all students are able to understand the purpose of diary writing. Diary writing is an art. Through this art, any individual write their own accounts. It is a personal accounts of any individual. This diary is very famous. This diary became very famous in the world, and I suggest all the students, first you read out this extract. I try to understand the importance of diary writing, and in next class I continue my lecture. So today I want to stop my lecture. Thanks.